SmallRig 5.6, 5.7 cage kit for the Canon C50. Hand strap. This is the top piece for the XLR handle. Comes with instructions. Feels like a quarter 20. Here's the top piece that I'm not going to use because I'm going to use the XLR handle. When you use this top piece, this is meant for SmallRig's handles, but I want to use the top handle that comes with the camera. Oh, here is the protector for the port, for the HDMI port. 2 little screws. There's a tool underneath, and there you go. Here is the elements of the cage itself on the camera body. How does it feel? Well, the camera already felt good without any cage, but this cage right here, it adds a little bit of more grip. It's beefier on the hand grip here, and then this little area here, I can slip my pinky in, and then I could grip it like this. It feels more secure. Let me just make sure everything opens up fine. Here's the battery compartment. Yep, that opens fine. There's no obstructions. Car door opens fine. You still have right here your straps, and then you can use the cage for another strap. All the ports are accessible. LCD moves a full 180, you're good with that. And then these right here, it does protrude, and I saw in other reviews that this could, here's the release of the lens, and the distance here is tight. So if you have a huge lens, I've heard some other feedback or reviews saying that it's hard to remove the lenses, but I think it's fine. And this is NATO. Yep, so you can put accessories there. Here's the XLR now. I'm gonna pop this on. There's some grippy material on the bottom here, so it's not gonna be all metal grinding on this handle. I'm gonna continue using the included tool and see if I can do everything with the tools that are on the cage. And this one goes in the back, and there's your SmallRig branding. Okay, here's what the handle looks like with that top handle attached. It fits pretty well. It looks like it was made for it. So here, you can hold some extra cables. This part is plastic, the rest of it is metal. So this, oh, it's also removable, but this could break over time. Here, you have a 3/8, that's like an RE pin. You have cold shoe. You have 3 quarter 20s up here. And then when you hold it, oh yeah, it feels nice. I'm gonna attach now the handle to the C50. All right, that's in. And screwing this part. I love how easy it is to attach the handle here. And you don't need any tools. Just, it's big enough with your fingers, you can screw that in tight. You do not need any tools here. I love that. Okay, so here's what the cage looks like with those pieces attached to it. Out of all the pieces, this does feel the cheapest. So you just run this strap through here, and then you can have this on the side. You know, I'm not gonna put this on. I just don't like how this feels. This feels like faux leather. I do shoot with Sony as well. So here is the Sony FX3. Here's the SmallRig kit for the FX3 with the XLR attachment like this. The C50 is in direct competition with the FX3, and here are the SmallRig components for each, if anyone's curious about this, the way it looks. I've had Sony now for over a year. I switched from Panasonic and Canon to Sony, and then over time, especially when the C50 was released or announced, I decided to go back to Canon because I just like that look. But here's the Sony. It feels good. It's just a different system to me. I think the handle, like a lot of people have been saying, the XLR handle on the FX3 is not as good as the C50 here. This is an amazing XLR handle.